Hello dear students, you are welcome to learning our course. In this chapter we discuss about applications of AI. How many applications use in AI, which domains AI use. Actually AI has have a bright domains and many areas they used, but few of them are there: healthcare, automobile, finance, social media, entertainment, education, space explorations, gaming, robotic, agriculture, and commerce. These are few most important areas where use artificial intelligence and robotics. Healthcare, when we talk about healthcare of use artificial intelligence, one of the most far deep laying impact which AI has created with healthcare space, because the healthcare is very sensitive. It's directly communicate with human life and affect lives. So AI have great impact in healthcare field. A device commonly Fitbit or iWatch collect lot of data like sleep pattern or individuals in calorie brand and heart rating and lot more, which can help early detection, personalize and disease. It's help the doctors, healthcare professionals who are working or related health areas, and with AI based they are monitor and detect the easy diagnose the diseases with help of artificial intelligence. Automobile, when we talk about the automobile usage, in this stage where automobile changing engines with chassis around the software control intelligence machine role, AI cannot estimate it. The goal of self-driving cars, which autopilot by Tesla, and self-driving is very important nowadays, used with helping of AI machine learning algorithms, which help the automobile industry to grow with artificial intelligence. All the auto driving cars using AI technologies and the change world. AI often witness working a magic through robotic produce initial nets, boats and vehicles on automated cars using machine learning and vision of computers. Banking and finance. Of the early adopts artificial intelligence, banking and finance industry from chatbots offer banking assistance by depositing finance instance India and other countries. They are provide security and money decision making and help them for banking sector provide artificial intelligence very good important factor and playing very important role in banking and finance sector. Social media, all of us love social media. Social media is just not platform of networking, it's self shape of choice ideologies and all due the intelligence tool which silently with the background. When we talk about the impact of social media, if you are using the social media before 5+ years ago, when you are searching anything in Google, Facebook or YouTube, so you not know anything. After implementing the AI, so you are searching any area, any topic. After a day, you know the also that search engine with help of AI algorithms search show you such kinds ad which are you interested, because how they analyze you are interested. If you are want to how start learning AI, so you start finding how learn AI, so automatically you can find AI based ads on YouTube. If are you find YouTube, are you finding Google, or anywhere, any organization, you any search engines, you find anything in Facebook, so they show you that related ads. With help AI technologies, they show you all things related to your search queries. Entertainment also, AI playing very important role. Show the business with arrival online streaming service like Netflix, Amazon Premium, and other technologies use AI base, which help them to recognize all strategies, algorithms which users searching their websites and softwares. Space explorations, AI system being developed scale back a danger of human life into the undiscover the universe. A result of space exploration mission, just like a Mars cover the possible due to the utilize of AI. Robotic is the very important part of AI. It's mostly used to develop a field of AI. Robotics becoming more efficient, performing tasks earlier too complex. Nowadays, the idea of robotic very popular and mostly used for AI. Like robotics helping the peoples in different ways in different organizations, and also many areas working as assistants to help peoples. Thank you very much. See you in next video lecture.